Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be talking about how to get past Seeking Alpha's paywall. Most of you have probably ran into a situation like this. There's a stock, Harrow, I'm very interested in, and you're looking for write-ups and there aren't a lot of write-ups, and you see one from Seeking Alpha. So you click on it, and it'll show this page where it says that you have to get a premium subscription to read the article. As you can see here, it's $239 per year, which is very expensive, and to be honest, I'd rather spend that on some more stocks. I'm going to show you guys how to get around this paywall. There will be a link in the description to get to this page. So what you'll do is you'll come and click on this. I'll have this link in the description of the video. And you'll scroll down and it'll show very easy instructions on how to do it. And I'm just going to go through it very simply just so you guys know how to do it. So what you're going to want to do is download this zip file from GitHub. Just click on the link and it'll download. It is very quick. It is a very, very small file. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to save this file. Put it in somewhere like Documents or Home, somewhere where you know you're going to save it. Because it's very important that you do not delete the folder afterwards. You have to keep the folder on your computer. Then when you unzip it, and you'll see a folder named Bypass Paywalls Chrome Master. That is what we're going to use. So then in Chrome Edge, you're going to go to the extensions page. The extension page is right here, is this little thing. Click on it and press Manage Extensions. Once you go here, you'll see Developer Mode in the corner, in the top right, and you're going to have to make sure that's turned on. Make sure that that's on, because otherwise this will not work. Alright, so after that's turned on, go here to the corner and press Load Unpacked. And when you press that, it'll bring you to their files. But then, after it brings you to the files, make sure to press on the Bypass Paywalls Chrome Master. Once you press on it, it will bring it up here and it will pop up. Now, to show you that this works, I pulled up PayPal here, and as you can see right here, I do not have a premium account. It says right $4.95 for your first month. And let's go to the analysis, and you see tons of analysis. And just click on one, and there we go. I have the entire article for free without having to get a premium account. But while this does work for the articles, it doesn't work for everything. For example, if I go to their finances, it's still only to 2018. Past 2018, it's still locked, but I still get all the articles completely for free. So guys, if this helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe, as it really helps us out. Thank you.